nature. We got them all over the place. They crawled in from that tree. They're all over the trees on the food. Look, what we've got there is a deadly wasp. I'm trying to get it. Show. I can't. You just said it was an animal-friendly. More. Well, now, the thing about these, they can swim. If he doesn't bite me.
They won't bite. Take this one.
Yes. Okay, I'll take this one. I can go fishing.
You're supposed to be an animal activist.
Yes, they swim. Look, watch. They're like, sir, you let him go on this way.
If it was a rock, it would have been even funnier.
No.
You just drop them through.
Bees, are you?
Now. This is part of shooting one.
Okay.
I mean one of these shows. Get in a run stance. What we're going to do is jet down. I'll stand out wide so you can take a shorter route. I'll just go out and around. Alright, go. We were recording.
We've got to be quick here, because inside this is a nest of wasps. So we're being swarmed right now. I hope you're not allergic to bees. Truly. It's going to be beautiful. Oh God, these bugs are crazy.
So grateful.
There's wasp nest, and there's one right there. Oh, I don't know if you can hear the buzzing.
You hear it?
Hopefully the camera people hear it too. Can you see the bee? Is it too dark?
It's echoed in there, so they probably hear it.
That's crazy. He's coming up.
Yep.
So we're gonna do this.
Oh no!
Your benefits nature high. Just look around in the sky or the ground. Prepare to get nature.